How to delete store on Teespring. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete store on Teespring. So the first thing to do is to log in into your Teespring account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, I must inform you that you cannot delete your store directly on Teespring. The only way your store can be deleted is when you delete your account automatically. Once you delete your account, all of your stores as well be deleted. Okay, and then this another way around it. If you do not want a product to keep on appearing on in public, or you want to stop a product from appearing to people, to sellers, to buyers, there is a way to go about this, and I'll be showing you in this tutorial. So you are to first thing to do after logging into your account is navigate through to your stores, which is located at the left side of the screen. Once you click on stores, you'll be brought to your stores page, and then once you're on this page, the next thing for you to do is to move to the left side of the screen as well, and then click on listings. Once you click on listings, you'll be brought to your listings page where all of your products will be displayed. So currently this is the only product I have, and then for you, the next thing for you to do is to select the products in the particular store that you want to delete. So once you select the products, by the right side of the product you'll see the settings icon. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the settings page of that product, and then once you're on the settings page, you would see that you will brought to visibility, and then by the right side of the screen, yours will be public. Currently I have hidden these products from the public, that is why it is private, but for you, your own will be on public this way. So all you need to do is just to click on this arrow and then click on private. Once you click on private, the products would be hidden automatically from the public, and it would no longer be found. All right, you just like deleting it but not deleting it. Okay, so that is the only way you can delete your store or scripts on Teespring. So do this for all of the other products as you want to do. Just select them, click on the settings icon, and then click on private, and all of the products would be removed from the general public. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.